Here are some easy wrist strengthening exercises that you can do using some light hand weights like these that we sell at Move It or Lose It, which have a hand strap to keep them secure, or you could use bottles of water for this at home. And this is going to help improve strength and mobility through the wrist for all the jobs that you do around the house, whether it's lifting heavy pots in the kitchen or things out in the garden or bags of shopping, for example. So just sit or stand and relax your shoulders and tuck your elbows into your waist. And the action we're going to do is simply having our hand in this position. We're going to have palm facing up, palms in, palms down, but using the weights, that's going to add in a little bit of resistance. Elbows in, start here, turn to face in, turn to face down, and just repeat that action. So trying to do 10 repetitions, nice and slow and steady. Of course, it feels really easy at first, and then by the time you get to number 10, you're starting to feel that as well. Now, when you're ready, you can actually build up the number of repetitions, do 3 sets of 10, and then to make it even more challenging, instead of keeping the elbows here, tucked into the waist, extend the arms out a little way. Not too far, but just reaching out, and that's just to make these feel a bit heavier. So we start palms up, take them in, face them down. So we're rotating the wrist, but we're using the weights. And again, try and build up to a set of 10 and then ultimately 3 sets of 10 repetitions. So the next one we're going to do is just letting the hand go forward and up. So we're just trying to flex the wrist as much as we can, work in your natural range, and we're doing that in 2 directions. So start with palms facing down, elbows in, and just let the weights go down as far as you can comfortably go, and then lift up. It's not a very big movement, just work in your natural range, and again try and do 10 reps of that. Then start with palms up, and we're curling upwards, and then allowing that weight to go down as far as we can, curl and extend. Again, 10 repetitions and 3 sets of 10 as you get stronger.